Hello everyone! If we just met and this is your first time watching from my channel, my name is Nanette. I am very passionate about succulents and love making videos about them. In my videos, I love talking about propagation and care guides. If you share the same passion in watching me reset or repot these two arrangements will interest you, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Welcome back. These pots are actually not mine, but I made them though for my best friend Charles. I went to his place and noticed this on his coffee table. I was like, oh my god, they are dying. So I offered to reset or repot them. Some of you probably know this already, that water, sunlight, and temperature play a huge role in caring for your succulent plants. But to me, I personally believe that the soil is a major key to having healthy succulents. That being said, I am so thankful that I was able to discover the right soil mix for me that works for me and for my succulents. Okay, let's see here. If you're into succulents, you probably heard of the word leggy. So this one right here is leggy because this was missing sunlight. Believe it or not, this is Sedum adolphi, the one that you're seeing on the screen. This Crassula muscosa didn't make it. Let's see what we have in this pot. Oh, this Crassula ovarigolum is thriving, which actually didn't surprise me. They're very resilient. This one right here is string up buttons, which I will replant somewhere, and you will be surprised, it will thrive again. It got thinner and never grew, and that's mainly because of lack of water. And that's the first thing I noticed about these two pots. The soil is very, very dry. And guaranteed, succulents will die on you if you overwater or underwater. Anyway, let's get started here because I am really excited to work on this project. What do we have in this shopping cart? Let's see. This one right here is Sedum adolphi when it's not leggy. And these two rosettes are Aeonium haworthi, my all-time favorite. These two are Common House Leek. And this one is Elephant Bush. Oh, I want to share with you. I put some ground cinnamon on the stem of these cuttings. At least for me, it encourages the stem to produce more stems. And most importantly, it helps prevent the fungus that causes dumping off disease. Anyway, I took this video earlier so I can show you how I propagate my cuttings with cinnamon powder. And based on my experience, it also helps my cuttings to callus over way quicker. So overall, it's a win-win for me. Also, please be reminded they still need to be aired out after applying cinnamon powder. Let's see what else do we have in our shopping cart. Oh, this is Crassula ovara or jade plant. And I put some powder as well. I will definitely reuse the old soil from these pots because I know the quality of this soil. I mixed them 6 months ago. So what does my soil mix comprise of? Believe it or not, Miracle Grow is not paying me a penny, but I love using their products. I use their all-purpose potting mix for my base. Some succulent lovers are very strict on just using the Miracle Grow potting mix specific for cactus, palm, citrus, and succulents. Don't get me wrong, I still add them to my base, but along with perlite to improve drainage and pumice, which is also for drainage. And of course, I don't fail adding fertilizer, and I use the Miracle Grow Shake and Feed fertilizer. I'm sure you know this already. Fertilizer will help your succulents grow faster, retain their color, and keep a good form. I hope you had fun and most importantly learned something while watching me repot those two arrangements. Whether you're watching this video on Facebook or YouTube and love to see this type of content and would like to see this channel grow, you may like this video and hit that subscribe button. And while at it, maybe you can hit that notification bell so you can be informed when my next video launches. Until next time.